it can be easy to ignore. The spectacular views, the peculiar creatures. What we know to be a beautiful masterpiece becomes the backdrop to our everyday lives. But once you take notice, the world is yours. This planet is filled with environments, all of which are worth protecting, but also exploring. The human experience relies deeply on the connection between animals, people, and their natural homes.
My name is Lara, and I'm a preschool teacher. I brought up my kids to Clear Creek today to go on a hike to celebrate Earth Day. So we talked a little bit about pollination and the importance of pollinators and how to protect them and help them. But yeah, we're mostly just here to do a hike and to get into nature and get exposed and get some sunshine.
What did you do today?
We stepped in water.
We stepped in water. We made some seed bombs with Miss Vanessa. And we went on one of the trails. What do you think we should do for Earth Day? Should we? Oh, we should plant some flowers and some seeds?
Yeah.
Okay.
My advice is to get outside and just kind of document what you see and just really soak it in. And something I really love to do outside is to just sit and be still and enjoy and just take a moment to appreciate what we have. And so that's what I do to celebrate the earth.